Josiasa manie kweth mar Azimio la Umoja One Kenya okwedo sirkand William Ruto ka giwacho ni piny owacho masani donjore kod chenro mag doho tok chik. Akwede makama biro mana odiochieng' achiel tok kane doho wito oko buch mibadhi manyocha mieno jalup jatend piny Rigathi Gachagua. Gavana ma Siaya James Orengo kod jaod bura mar Arieda Otiende Amolo ne oseo sirkal ka giwacho ni gibiro medo keto piny owacho tesre maneno ni jopiny oyudo ratichgi. Ne giloso e nyasi mar yawo kambi mar loso pi olemo e aluora maramba e kar chung' od bura mar Arieda.
We are getting tomato paste million. I was coming in as a will.
At this point, I'll invite the director, Mr. Emmanuel.
It is obvious, and I can tell this without fear or contradiction, that if the Deputy President Gachagua was not the Deputy President of the Republic of Kenya, his case would not have been withdrawn. It is being withdrawn because he is the Deputy President of the Republic of Kenya. That is an abuse of the criminal justice system. Because there are many Kenyans also who have cases before the courts of law, whose cases do not deserve to be in the courts of law. They cannot get their cases withdrawn because they are lesser beings.
We will cooperate with the government, but we do not need to submit. No one needs to come and tell us that in order to get development, go and join UDA. We will not join. Hello? I want to assure you, Jorarieda, no year ODM or Kadiwe ODM, not the UDA, ni in the name of development. Development is working with Governor Orengo so that we do the things we are doing here today. I do not need to join UDA for development. Hello? Development is utilizing CDF monies to do the